Hello, this is Neo Dragonoid 1995 with a unboxing video. This bandit I got this from school, and this is Series 1. Series 1. I can't wait to get this unboxed, so we'll go ahead and unbox it. Alright, the wristband is right here, as you can see, and Series 1 wristband, it says cool, as you can see here, and I know you already know that, so I shouldn't have said that, and you can buy these at Walmart for like $1 or $2 or $1, $1 or $2. Pause this if you want to read this, or this too. Alright? So anyways, yeah. Anyways, there's one special Bakugan. I forgot to, for one thing, I forgot to show you the G power on this Bakugan. Let me get in the light. Let me, hold on. Get in the light. Hold on, I have to get in the light. What? Yeah. Yeah, my Gren. See? I am not kidding. This Gren is powerful. My Gren is 1080G. Thank you for watching. And subscribe if you think my Gren is epic or not. Don't if you don't think it's epic. So yeah, it's powerful. I'll see y'all later.